Hey guys, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Omskylark project which is located at 59 BT Road, Kolkata. So friends, this is the project location and this is the exterior view of project tower. This way leads towards Sham Bazaar. And this way leads towards Chidiya More Dum Dum. So this is the view of tower of G+21 floor. And this is the view of the main entrance gate of the project, that is Omskylark. This project consists of 2 numbers of towers and total comprises of 159 numbers of units. So this is the view of the surrounding. This project is located in one of the prime location of Kolkata. It's an under construction project. As here you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.